Today we're going to be reviewing the brand new generation of Whirlpool front load laundry. This is going to be the 5720 series set, and this is in their brand new finish, Radiant Silver. A very nice break from the chrome shadow grays of old and the white that'll just never go away. The big changes that Whirlpool incorporated into their new front load machines are really focused on the washing machine. Obviously, that's the problem child of any laundry set in any laundry room. As you see here, down low, service techs for decades and decades have been asking for a filter that doesn't require taking apart the machine. Whirlpool finally delivered on that by offering that front-facing filter that the rest of the industry is using. But also something else you're seeing in this industry, we're moving in the direction of putting an antimicrobial liner on that gasket, that boot, that seal, bellows, that's another word for it. These are all things that mean this rubber piece that usually gets disgusting. So putting that antimicrobial lining makes it possible for the mold and the mildew to be fought off before it actually grows. Beyond that, they're going to add in their fan fresh technology. You see right here, they have some fans in the door that are going to begin drying out that boot gasket, and you actually have a dry drum cycle as well. So you're really focusing on trying to mitigate mold and mildew on this new machine. Moving over to the dryer, it's going to have a cycle that matches every washing machine cycle. Both of them are going to be Wi-Fi capable, so remote access, remote enabling. If you don't turn on your wrinkle shield so you don't get that extended tumble, you get a notification on your phone telling you, do you want to turn on the extended tumble? Your laundry hasn't been touched in a couple of minutes. So all in all, these are all really great updates that Whirlpool has put into this new generation of laundry. It's been asked for not just by the dealers and by customers, but by service technicians too. So hopefully maintenance is the big focus on this new generation. So that's going to mean less service calls.